Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, fellow humans. Allahu Noor as-samawati wal ard. Today we are exploring the meaning of An-Noor. Allah is the light shed upon the whole creation, making it apparent. Just as this light is responsible for making the pitiable seen, it also makes the conceivable known. The light that shows the conceivable is the light of faith and wisdom, and the eye that sees it is the basira, the eye of the heart. That light is the light of existence. Non-existence is darkness. That light is the light that brought existence out of the darkness. That light makes itself visible as well as making all else visible. There is not even one atom among all the things that exist in the heavens and on the earth, and in that which is between them, that does not point to the existence of its creator. In Surah Noor, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, the light of the heavens and the earth. Noor as-samawati wal ard. The sun sheds light upon the sky and the earth, enabling us to see things around us, large and small, of different shapes and colors, enabling us to identify that from which we may profit and that which may harm us. In its light we find our way and see the pits and swamps. In the same way, Allah has bestowed upon us the light of faith, which shows us the straight path of salvation and the pits and swamps of indefinitely sin and revolt. That sum of faith in the heart of believers renders them beautiful of face and beautiful in character. The light of faith eliminates the darkness of infidelity and sin within and without, bringing us to the light of truth and salvation of serenity. The devil and one's own devil, the ego, are thieves who like to operate in darkness and enter dark houses. They will not enter that divine house, the heart illuminated by the light of faith. The gate to the heart is the mind. The light of that gate is knowledge. That light blocks out the evil of ignorance, imagination, hypocrisy, and arrogance. The soul needs light and detests darkness, as the light of the soul is consciousness. Its darkness is heedlessness. The light of faith eliminates the darkness of infidelity and sin within and without, bringing us to the light of truth and salvation and serenity. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala brings you from the darkness to the light, to the Noor. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.